Hello, my dear children. So, good evening. Welcome to the class. Yes, today is a Children's Day, right? So, wish a happy Children's Day to all of you. Okay. So, in the last class, we started about the chapter areas related to circle, right? So, in this chapter, what we have discussed yesterday, so that is what a circle and parts of a circle, right? So areas related to circle. Circle means what? It is the locus of a point equidistant from a center point, that we call it as a circle, right? And parts of a circle. So just recall the parts of a circle. Okay. So radius, sector, segment, chord, diameter, circumference, and area. Yes, so these all are the parts related to the circle. So in this chapter, mainly we are going to discuss about the sector, right? So nimge illi ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, that is sector. So in this chapter, we are going to concentrate on the sector and segment, area of the sector, area of the segment, and length of the arc. So these three parts, mainly we are going to concentrate on these three parts. That is sector. So what do you mean by sector? So already we discussed yesterday. Sector means it is the portion of a circle which is defined by two radii, right? So which is defined by two radii and an arc. So here two radii, this is center of the circle O, and this is radius R1, and this is radius R2. What do you mean by radius? That you know already, right? So this is radius R1, this is radius R2. Therefore two radius are there. We call it as a radii, right? And one arc is there. So this part we call it as an arc. Yes, my dear students, arc. Okay. So now the portion of a circle which is defined by two radii and an arc. That means this portion we are going to consider, this portion is the sector. So a sector is the area enclosed between two radii and an arc. Yes. So arc, what do you mean by arc? So this part we call it as arc. So where is arc? Yes. So ಈ ತರಹ portion ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? We call this as a arc. So my dear children, remember arc means here also we are going to observe two types of arc, that is minor arc and major arc. So now sector alli hege minor sector matte major sector anta nodtivi, like that only we are going to see minor arc and major arc. So wait, yes, so minor arc and major arc. So this part we call it as an arc. Yes. So arc ಏನಾದ್ರೂ small ಇದ್ರೆ, if it is small, then it is called as minor arc, and it is less than the semicircle. So semicircle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? So if we consider this part, so full this part, this is a semicircle. So semicircle is like this, right? So semicircle ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That this is the center of the circle. So semicircle hegide. But arc hegide? Minor arc is only this much. Yes, only this much. So it is less than the semicircle. So small part but less than semicircle. Major arc means what? Major arc means, so this full part we call it as a major arc. Okay, so ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, this is the major arc. Major arc is more than the semicircle. So remember, major arc semicircle ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ and minor arc semicircle ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So this is about the arc. And length of the arc, how we are going to calculate length of the arc? Theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. When you know the angle theta, so angle theta ಎಲ್ಲಿ form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Where you are going to see angle theta? See here, this is center O. When two lines will combine, at that point angle theta will form. So here theta will form, and this is the sector. So when you know the radius and when you know the angle theta, you can easily calculate the area of the sector. So what is the formula? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So why you are using pi r square? Pi r square is the area of the circle, right? Okay. So when you want to know the length of the arc, so nimge length of the arc anna enadru find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ, then you are going to use theta divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r. So, right? Okay. So up to this, yesterday we discussed. And perimeter. Perimeter means what? It is the length of the boundary. So length of the boundary of a circle, we call it as a perimeter. So outer portion, right? That is perimeter. And inner portion. So ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? That we call as area. Okay. So area. Area is pi r square and circumference or perimeter is 2 pi r of the circle. Yes. So next, again, we discussed about these concentric circles, and also we discussed about the area of quadrant, and also we discussed about semicircular protector perimeter. Yesterday, we discussed all these things, and also we solved some examples also. Yes, my dear students, see here, sector and sector is there. So there are two types of sectors. One is minor sector and another one is major sector, right? So minor sector and major sector. So this is minor. I will change the color. Yes, this is minor sector. This is major sector. So if the area is small, then it is a sector of the, means area of the sector is small, then it is minor sector. Area of the sector is large, then it is major sector. Segment means what? The area enclosed between chord and this arc. So this is arc, A to B, this is arc, and A and B, this line we call it as a chord. So this area we call it as a segment. So if it is a small part, then it is a minor segment. So large part, then it is major segment, right? And also very, very important formulas are area of the sector of angle theta is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. This is very, very important. You have to remember. Length of the arc of a sector of an angle theta is theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r, right? Okay. Now, area of segment APB. You want the area of segment APB. So today we will solve these type of questions. So when you want to find out the area of segment APB, then first you have to calculate the area of OAPB sector. OAPB sector, this full sector, minus AOAB. So the here one triangle will form OAB. So area of this triangle. Then you will get the area of this segment APB. When you want to calculate the area of OAQB, major sector area ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, then pi r square minus area of minor sector OAPB. OAPB, this is minor sector and this part is a major sector. So when you want to find out the major sector, then full circle area is pi r square. Pi r square minus area of minor sector, right? Next, area of AQB major segment. If you want to find out the area of segment, then pi r square minus area of APB minor segment. Then we will get area of major segment, that is A to B. So this is major segment. So this part is a major segment. Yes. Today we will learn, we will solve some extra questions. Okay. Yes. Yesterday we discussed to find out the area of the corresponding major sector. Yes. Today we will solve some other examples. Okay. See, find the area of a circle. Find the area of a circle. Area of a circle. Area of a circle of radius 28 centimeter and angle is 45 degree. That means, see here, one circle is there and one sector is there. So OAB is a, this part is a sector. So here angle will form, that is 45 degree and the radius is 28 centimeter. So now you have to find out the area of this sector. So how you are going to find out area of this sector? We know the formula. Here we know the angle theta and we know radius. That means theta is 45 degree and R is 28 centimeter. Then you are going to apply the formula. Area of a sector of angle theta or sector of angle theta is theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. So here we are calculating area. So pi r square. Theta is 45 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value is 22 divided by 7 and r value, r we know that is 28 centimeter. So r square is there. So 28 into 20, right? So 7 ones are 7 fours are, right? So here 2 ones are 2, 1 remains, 2 eights are 16, 0, 2 ones are 2 ones are. Next, 2 nines are 0, 2 twos are 4. Now, 3 threes are 9, 0, 3 ones are 3 fives are. So, 15 ones are 15, twos are 30. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So, what you will get? 11 into 28. In nimge ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 11 into 28. So, if you do the calculation 11 into 28, you will get 30. So 22 divided by 7, 11 remains. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Report it means 11, 15 ones are 15 twos are 30. Yes. So 2 ones are. Yes. So finally you will get 11 into 28. That is 11 eights are 88. So 11 twos are 22, 22 plus 8, it is 30. So finally we'll get 308 centimeter square. Yes, it is in centimeter. So area of the sector is 28 centimeter square, right? So next question. Find the area of a sector of circle with radius 6 centimeter if angle is 60 degrees. So here angle is 60 degree. That means in the figure we can see that the angle is 60 degree and the radius is 6 centimeter. So radius r is equal to 6 centimeter and angle theta is 60 degree. So if we know the r and theta, we can find out the area of a sector easily. That is area of sector of angle theta is theta divided by 360 into pi r square, right? So theta is 60 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value is 22 divided by 7 and r is 6 into 6. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. 6 ones are 6, 6 are. So 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So 22 into 6 divided by 7. So what you will get? 22 into 6 means 6 twos are 12. So 6 twos are 12 plus 1, 132 divided by 7. Yes, so 132 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. So finally you will get 18.8 centimeter square. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ರು it's okay. So finally you will get 18.8 centimeter square. This is your final answer. Okay. Now the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Yes, my dear students. So here one clock they have given. So imagine one clock. So one clock ಇದೆ. ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. That means length of the minute hand they have given, that is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay. So in this clock, two hands are there. One is minute hand and another one is hour hand, right? So minute hand and hour hand, right? So here in minute hand and hour hand. So this is a circle. Yes, the clock is in the shape of circle and it is a midpoint. If you consider this is a midpoint and these two hands, it acts like it looks like a radius. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ? ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ತರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Right? So this is radius and this is another radius. So length of that clock, that means radius. Length means here radius only is. ಹೌದಾ? So ಈ ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 14 centimeter. So that means it is radius only. Therefore radius is 14 centimeter. Radius is 14 centimeter. The minute hand is, okay, radius they have given. The minute hand is the radius of the circle here. Okay, minute hand hegide, that is radius of the circle. So the minute hand is the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. So next, that is radius of the circle. R is radius. R is, they have given, that is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So in 1 hour, so in 1 hour, angle of the rotation. See, 1 hour means what? That is 60 minutes. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ 1 hour ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಹೀಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಗ್ ಬಂದು 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 ನಿಮ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ 1 hour means it is the complete rotation. ಹೌದಾ? ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ 1 hour. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 hour ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒಂದು ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1 hour. That means, so full rotation ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ total angle of the circle, that is 360 degree, right? So in 1 hour, angle of rotation, is 360 degree, right? So because full circle in a ಒಂದು angles ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? 360 degree ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So 1 hour ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ complete one rotation ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. So this is 360 degree. Then if you want to find out the angle of the rotation in 5 minutes, so angle of the rotation, this is 60 minutes. 1 hour ಗಾಯ್ತು, 60 minutes ಗಾಯ್ತು. So 5 minutes ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So angle of rotation in 5 minutes. Then how you are going to find out the angle of rotation in 5 minutes? That is 360 degree divided by 60 minutes. So we want ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ 5 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 1 ಅವರಿಗೆ 360 ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೀಟರ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ 60 ಮಿನಿಟ್ 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, 5 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು 5 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ 360 is complete rotation for 1 hour. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ in minutes. So in minutes ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ divided by 60 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Why? Because 1 minute is called 60 minutes. So divided by 60 into we want 5 minutes. So into 5. 0, 0, 6 ones are 6 6 are. So you will get 5 6 are 30. That means angle of rotation is 30 . So this is our theta. So in 5 minutes, angle of rotation is 30 , right? So in 5 minutes, angle of rotation is 30 . This is our theta. Next. So area of the sector. So ನಮ್ಗೆ area of the sector ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, find the area swept by the minute in 5 minutes. So area of the sector theta is equal to area of the sector of angle theta is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square, right? So theta means what here? Theta is 30 . 30 divided by 360 into pi is 22 divided by 7 and r is 14 into 14. Okay. So 0 0 cancel. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 3 twos are 6 12. So 7 ones are 7 twos are 14 and 2 6 are 12 2 sevens are 14, right? Next 2 3s are 6 2 11s are 22. Okay. So ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 11 into 2 into 7 divided by 3 into 2. That is 22 into 7 divided by 3. So finally you will get 51. Wait. So 0 0 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 twos are, right? Next 2 6 are 12 2 11s are, okay. Next 2 3s are 6 2 sevens are 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So 2 sevens are 14 14 into, yes, so 22 into 7 divided by 14. So finally you will get 51.33 centimeters square. This is our final answer. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ we have to find out the angle between two minute two hands. That is theta ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು. That is in 1 hour angle of rotation is 360 . In 5 minutes that is 30 . And area of the sector theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So by using that formula, we can find out the area of the sector. Next, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter. Okay, so this is interesting question. In a circle, so these questions can be asked for 5 or 4 or 5 marks, right? So in a circle of radii, not radii, radius. So in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 at the center. Find the length of the arc, area of the sector formed by the arc, and area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. We have to find out. Yes, my dear children, how you are going to find out the length of the arc? See here, 21 centimeter, that is radius. Okay. So radius is 21 centimeter. R, that is 21 centimeter. And angle is 60 , right? So theta is 60 . First one, what they ask, the length of the arc. How you are going to find out the length of the arc? The length of the arc is theta divided by 360. So this is length of the arc AB, right? So theta divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r, right? So theta value is 60 degree divided by 360. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 6 are into 2 pi value is 22 divided by 7 into r value is 21, right? So 7 3s are 21. 2 threes are 6 and 2 ones are 2. 3 will get cancelled. So finally what you will get? Only 22. So 22 centimeter is the length of the arc. So second question what they ask? Area of the sector formed by the arc. So area of the sector formed by the arc. That means full area you have to find out. Area of this sector formed by this arc. Okay. Next. Second one. Area of the sector formed by the arc. Formed by the arc. Okay. So area of the sector, that is formula is theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square, right? So now we are calculating the area. So we are using pi r square. Theta value is 60 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value is 22 divided by 7 and r is 21 square, that is 21 into 21. So 0 0 will get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 6 are 36. Again 6 threes are 2 threes are 6, 2 sevens are 22. 7 threes are 21. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Finally, you will get 11 into 21. So 11 into 21, if you do the calculation of 11 into 21, you will get 231. Yes, 231 centimeter square. This is the area of the sector, right? Next, area of the segment. So this is important. Area of the segment we have to find out. Area of the segment find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ segment. So segment ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ part ಇದೆ. So ಹೌದಾ? ಈ part ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? This full sector minus this triangle OAB. So area of the sector minus area of equilateral triangle AOB. So OAB. Area of segment is equal to ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ OAB. See, this is OA is 21 centimeter. That means OB is also 21 centimeter. Because OA is equal to OB. So these two are 21 centimeter and one angle is 60 degree. So this is also 60 degree and it is also 60 degree. So three angles and three sides are same, then it is called equilateral triangle, right? So if it is an equilateral triangle, then we need to find out the area of the equilateral triangle AOB. Area of equilateral triangle AOB, right? So area of the equilateral triangle AOB is √3 divided by 4 into A square. A square is, A means what? Sides here. So this is A, this is A, this is A, and this it is also A square. Right? This is the formula to find out area of equilateral triangle. So √3 divided by 4 into A square is 21 into 21. So √3 divided by 4, 21 into 21 is 441 √3 divided by 4 centimeter square. Okay, this is the area of the equilateral triangle. Next, now we got the area of equilateral triangle and also we know the value of area of the sector that is formed by the arc AB. Now By using these two values, we can find out the area of the segment. Segment ellide illide. So this part, this red part is a segment. So ee segment anna namge bekadre ನಾವು first ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, area of sector OAB. So this full sector formed by this arc and minus area of triangle OAB. Then you will get this part. So this is minor segment, right? So hence the required area, hence the required area is area of the sector, area of the sector formed by the arc AB, which is the arc here. AB is the arc. Okay, so formed by the arc AB minus area of triangle AOB. Yes, so I will write here only. Area of the sector formed by the arc is 231, right? So 231 centimeter square minus area of the equilateral triangle is 441 root 3 divided by 4. So 441 root 3 divided by 4. So this is the area of the segment, right? So this is area of the segment, centimeter square. Okay, understood. Here radius they have given and angle also they have given, and asked us to find out the length of the arc. For that we know the formula, theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r, right? So 2 pi r means 2 into 22 divided by 7 r, theta value is 60 divided by 360, then you will get 22 centimeters. So this is the length of the arc. Next, area of the sector formed by the arc. Then you are using the formula theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta value is 60 and 360 divided into 22 divided by 7. This is the value of pi. And r square is 21 into 21. So finally, you will get 231 centimeters square. So this is the area of the sector formed by this arc. Next, third one is area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. That is this area, this part is the segment, that is minor segment here. So area of the equilateral triangle, here one equilateral triangle will form. That means we have to find out the area of the equilateral triangle, that is root 3 divided by 4 into a square. A is the side. So here OA is A, OB is side, OB is A. So A means that is the length of the side. Length of the side means it is radius only. R is A is 21, 21 into 21. That means 21 whole square is 441 root 3 divided by 4 centimeter square. So this is the area of the equilateral triangle AOB. Now, by using these two values, we can find out the area of segment, that is area of sector formed by the arc AB minus area of triangle AOB, that is 231 minus 441 root 3 divided by 4. This is our final answer. Yes. Okay. Now, chord of a circle. Yes, chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeters subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Yes, my dear children, here what they have given here, chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. That means if you take one circle and it makes an angle of 120 degree at the center. So full angle is 120 degree and the radius is 12 centimeter. Find the area corresponding segment of the circle. So this part we are going to find out the area of the segment. So for that, what we need to calculate? Yes, for that, what we need to calculate? See here, one triangle will form, that is OAB, right? So, OAB ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, this is OAB. Now, draw one perpendicular OD. Okay, draw one perpendicular to the triangle OD. So this perpendicular, it divides two triangles. So one big triangle alli ನೀವು perpendicular ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ it divides that triangle into two parts, right? So two equal parts ಆಗಿ divide ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So observe carefully, it is full angle is means the angle formed at the center is 120 degree. If the OD divides this big triangle into two small triangles, then this value is 60 degree and this value is 60 degree, right? And at the point D, it forms an angle 90, right? So means ಅದು ಹೀಗಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗತ್ತೆ, this is ODA and this is ODB, right? So here it makes an angle of angle 90, right? So now radius of the circle ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Okay, so radius of the circle is R is 12 centimeter, right? And angle theta is 120 degree. Okay, now use pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is 1.73. Okay, yes. So now draw OD perpendicular to AB. Okay, draw OD perpendicular to AB, right? So ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ OD ಅನ್ನ perpendicular ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ AB ಗೆ and it divides that triangle into two parts. Now, so here angle O is 60 degree. See, angle O is 60 degree. Observe here carefully. See, angle O is 60 degree and angle D is 90 degree, right? So angle O is 60 degree, angle D is 90 degree. By using these two angles, we can find out third angle, right? So we know the property, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because sum of the angles, interior angles in the triangle is 180 degree. Angle A we don't know, but angle D it is. So angle D and angle O. In this case, angle D, angle O. Angle D is 90 degree. Angle O is 60 degree, right? Is equal to 180 degree. So now transfer angle A is equal to 180 degree minus transfer this 90 degree plus 60 degree into this side. It becomes 90 plus 60. It is 150 degree. So 150 degree, 180 degree minus 150 degree. Angle A is equal to 180 minus 150 is 30 degree. Right? You will get 30 degree. That means angle A is 30 degree. Understood? Angle O is 60 degree. Angle D is 90 degree. By using that two angles, we can find out third angle, that is A. A is equal to 30 degree. Now, see, observe here, my dear children. So here we know the angle theta, that is 30 degree. So in trigonometry, we learned about when the right angle triangle is there, when we know the value of theta and one angle is 90 degree, when you know the value of theta, we can find out the ratios, right? So how many ratios are there? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and reciprocal of that ratios that you have already learned in the chapter of trigonometry. So here in this triangle OAD, we know the angle A. We know the value of angle A, that is theta value is 30 degree. Okay, and OA value is 12 centimeter. OA value is 12 centimeter and angle A is 30 degree. By using these two values, we can find out AD value. Yes. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ OA value ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ and angle theta is also we know. By using these two values, we can find out AD. AD means what? It is adjacent side, right? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Here OA is hypotenuse because it is the side opposite to the 90 degree. That is OA is hypotenuse and AD is adjacent side. So we want the value of adjacent side. So ಯಾವ ratios ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, right? So cos theta is equal to ನಮಗೆ AD ಬೇಕು. AD means what? It is adjacent side. So adjacent side ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? cos theta ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? adjacent side AD divided by OA. OA is hypotenuse. So cos theta means it is cos 30 degree is equal to AD we don't know. OA we know. OA value that is 12. Okay. Cos theta is cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 divided by 2. Right? So root 3 divided by 2 is equal to AD divided by 12. So transfer this 12 to this side. 12 into root 3 divided by 2 is equal to AD. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. So you will get AD is equal to 6 root 3. Right? AD is equal to 6 root 3. You will get AD is equal to 6 root 3. Okay. By using cos 30 degree. Now, AB means what? AD is 6 root 3. Okay, so AD andre 6 root 3. But AB means what? AB is AD plus DB. Right? AB plus DB. That means AD is 2. AB is equal to 2 times of AD. How the? So AB is equal to, adenagatte 2 times of AD. AB is equal to 2 times of AD. That is 2 into 6 root 3. 12 root 3 centimeter. 12 root 3 centimeter. You will get this is the value of next value of AB. So now we want to now we got the value of AB. But ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದು? OD ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ AD ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, OA ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, but we don't know the value of OD. OD is common to both the angles, both the triangles. So we need to find out the OD value. For that, OD ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ? OD ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is the side opposite to the angle theta. The side opposite to the angle theta we call this as the opposite side. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Opposite side ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So when you know the values of opposite side and hypotenuse, you can easily find out the OD value. That is ನಿಮ್ಗೆ opposite side value ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. So opposite divided by hypotenuse means what? That is sin theta. By using sin theta, we can find out OD value. OD means opposite side. Opposite side is OD divided by hypotenuse is OA. Right? So OD divided by OA. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು sin theta ವನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ OD ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ OD ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನೇ ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ನೋ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ hypotenuse. ಸೊ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ hypotenuse ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sin theta ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. So here we know the value of theta and also we know the value of hypotenuse. By using these two values, we can find out third side, that is opposite side. So we choose sin 30. So sin theta. Sin 30 degrees 1 divided by 2 is equal to OD value we don't know. OA value is 6 root 3. Sorry, OD So OA is 12, right? So transfer this 12 to this side. 12 divided by 2 is equal to OD. Therefore, 2, 6 are 12. OD is equal to 6 centimeter. So this is the value of OD. Now, by using this OD is what here? Height of this triangle. And we know base. Base is AB. We know the value of base. That is AB value is 12 root 3 and height value is 6 centimeter. By using these two values, we can find out the area of the triangle OAB. Therefore, area of the triangle AOB is equal to half base into height. That is, OD is height here. Half into base is 12 root 3 into 6. Right. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 12 threes are 36. 36 root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of the triangle AOB. Now, we need to find out angle of minor segment. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ area of the segment ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. So area of the segment ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Area of the segment is area of the segment ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ area of the sector minus area of the triangle. ಹೌದಾ? So area of the sector of angle theta, that is area of sector of angle theta is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Right. So theta is 120 degree divided by 360 degree. Pi value they have given 3.142. So 14 into r is 12 centimeters. So 12 into 12. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. 12 ones are 12 threes are. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So finally you will get 150.72 centimeter square. This is the area of the sector. Now, by using area of the triangle and area of the sector, we can find out the area of the segment, corresponding segment. So area of the segment is equal to area of the sector, this is minor sector. So area of minor sector minus area of triangle. This question can be asked for 5 mark. Okay, area of triangle OAB. So area of minor sector is 150.72 minus area of triangle is 36 root 3. Okay, 36 root 3. So 150.72 minus area of triangle root 3 is 36 root 3. So ಈ 36 root 3 ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ನು ನೀವು further simplification ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 150.72 minus 62.28. Why? Because root 3 value they have given 1.73. That means 36 into 1.73 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 62.28. Okay, this is the area of the triangle OAB. Now, 150.72 minus 62.28 is 88.44 centimeter square. This is the area of the triangle OAB. So ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, area of triangle OAB ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ base into height. So base value ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ cos 30 ಮತ್ತೆ sin 30 ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. sin 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ height ಬರುತ್ತೆ, cos 30 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು base ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ. So by using that two values we can find out the area of the triangle OAB. Next, find out the area of the sector. Sector means the angle theta is 120 degree and r is 12 centimeter. So finally, by using that two values, you will get 150.72 centimeter. Using these two values, we can find out area of the segment. Okay, understood? Yes. An umbrella So this is interesting question. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be flat, circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So this is interesting question. See, one umbrella ಇದೆ. ಆ umbrella ಹೇಗಿದೆ? which is umbrella has 8 ribs. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ribs ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಿದೆ ಇದು ರಿಬ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಬ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ 8 ರಿಬ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಅದೇ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲಾನ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹೌದಾ ಎಸ್ ಸೊ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲಾ ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಸೊ ಆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ that circle it has a radius of 45 centimeter find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella yes so here total ribs in the umbrella is 8, right? So an umbrella has how many ribs? 8 ribs. That means total ribs in the umbrella. Total ribs in the umbrella is 8. Right. The radius of the umbrella they have given. That is the radius of the umbrella that is 45 centimeter. Radius of the umbrella is 45 centimeter. Next, when umbrella, when it is flat. So flat iddaga. Umbrella that to be flat. Howda? When it to be flat circle. When it to be flat circle. Then the radius is 45 centimeter. Okay. Now, the area between two consecutive ribs. Okay. So, area between two consecutive ribs. ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ two consecutive ribs. Find the area between two consecutive ribs. Area between two consecutive ribs is here total area, that is total area divided by number of ribs. Here how many ribs are there? 8 ribs are there. Total area means total area between two consecutive ribs ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ total area ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು and number of ribs you know. So total area means it is in the form of circle. So total area is pi r square, right? Total area divided by number of ribs. Right. So total area is circle. Circle means what? Pi r square divided by total number of ribs is 8. So pi r square. Pi value is 22 divided by 7. R is 45 centimeter. R square means 45 into 45 divided by 8. Now 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2 1s are. Again it will not get divided. So 11 into 45 divided by 4 is there. So if you do the calculation, you will get the answer 795.53. This is final answer. This is area of the ribs, centimeter square. Understood? Yes. So next question. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. So namge two wipers ide which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each ಸ್ವೀಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ಲೇಡ್. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವೀಪರ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ? ಸೊ ವೈಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ವೈಪರ್. ಅದ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಟೂ ವೈಪರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಆ ಟೂ ವೈಪರ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ one angle form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. that angle is 115 degree, and the length of this wiper is, or you can say that it has a blade of length 25 centimeters. So 25 centimeter means it is radius only. So one wiper higide, one higide. So this length is 25 centimeter and this is also 25 centimeter. That 25 centimeter length is itself a radius, right? So find the total area cleaned at each sweeps of the blade. Okay, for that angle of the angle of sector formed by the wiper is 115. The angle formed by the angle of a sector. So angle of the sector formed by the wiper, that is theta, is 115 degree, and radius is, length is itself a radius. So radius r is 25 centimeter. Therefore area of the sector formed by the wiper is, area of the sector formed by the wiper is, we know the value of theta and also we know radius r. Then you can easily find out theta, the area of the sector. Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So theta value is 115 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value is 22 divided by 7. R is 25 into 25, right? So 26 is 2 ones are 2 eights are, and 2 ones are 2 ones are. 100 and so 8. ಮತ್ತೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಇದು? 3 6 18, 25 25. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. 115 into 11 into 25 into 25. So 25 into 25 is 225 divided by 18. So if you do the calculation, you will get result 300 and so if you do the calculation, you will get 30,746.52 centimeter square. Okay. So this is the area of the sector. And another thing, the total area cleaned at each sweep of a blade. The total area covered, the total area, the total area cleaned at each wipe, at each sweep of the blade is, of the blade is 2 wipers are there. That means 2 into total area 746.52. So we will get 1254.96 centimeters square. So this chapter is basically depends on the calculation. Okay, complete chapter calculation melene depend agutte. So do the calculation correctly. Yes. So today we discussed about the segment, the area of the sector, and also we discussed some problems regarding area of a sector and area of segment. Okay. So I hope all of you understood very well. And once again, wish you happy Children's Day. All the best. Study well. Shall we stop today's class? Okay. So all the best, my dear child. My dear children. So all of ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, my dear children. So all the best. Okay, thank you.